Lightning cracks like the thoughts in my head. Every word you said just wakes the dead. I'm the storm you buried in the back of your mind. Now I'm ripping through the silence you left behind. Cracks in the ground where the peace once stood, quaked by a rage that you never understood. Tried to hold back, tried to stay composed. Now the wildfire's burning and it's all exposed. You built a dam, thought you'd hold me in, but you can't cage wind with a safety pin. Tried to be rain on your darkest day, but I turned to fire when you looked away. At dawn, but you kept pushing till the calm was gone. Now my soul's a landslide breaking free, and there's no shelter left from me. No shelter left from me. No shelter left from me.
I warned you once.
Don't mess with the elements.